And I'm live. Welcome, 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 everyone. Today we're in for an amazing day. Hope you're doing great. And welcome to our live. Welcome, Suruchi, Chico, join us. Thank you. Fab Food for All. We're so happy you're here. Come on in. I'll be going live with Mimi, and I'm waiting for her. She's going to be joining me in a minute, and we're going to do some amazing recipes. It's Bombalache. Welcome, welcome to our live. Today, we are so excited. Hello, hello. Where are you from, Bombalache? I like that name. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly, but Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps, and I'm glad you're here and you've joined us. And Wandering Green, welcome. Thank you so much. We're happy you're here. I'm still waiting for Mimi. Hope wherever you are in the neck of your woods, you're having a fabulous day. And we're happy because it is Friday, and hope you're going to have some rest, relaxation, fun, wherever you are. Shanice, welcome. Also, Hannah Lee, welcome to our live. Today is going to be exciting. You are from Mexico. It's a nickname given to you as a child. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. I bet the weather is great in Mexico. Today we're going to be sharing mango recipes. So I know there's a lot of delicious mangoes there. Yes, she's in Mexico. She's tuning in from Mexico. Thank you, Chico. Hi from Japan. Oh, that's my dream one day to go to Japan. Hope you're doing phenomenal there. Welcome to our live. We're so happy you're here. We're in for a special treat. I'm still waiting for Mimi. I think she's probably having some technical difficulties because I haven't seen her yet. Angelique, welcome. Stacy Dorsch, welcome. And there is Mimi. She's here, guys. So excited. Welcome, welcome, Mimi. Are you on? You've joined us. What's going on? There she is. Oh,
Hey. Hello,
welcome.
hello everyone.
There you
You know I was
are.
having technical difficulties, right?
I figured, I told them you were having technical difficulties. It happens. It happens. How are you today?
Okay. Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Doing good. We're we're going to be sharing some amazing recipes, great for the summer, because right now in Florida, mangoes are everywhere. I'm getting mangoes galore, and I'm so excited because it's in season here, and throughout the Caribbean, I'm sure Mexico also is having mangoes, a lot of mangoes too there. I'm not sure about Japan. And how about you in Angelique? Are you having mangoes? Do you grow mangoes in Rwanda? Welcome. Today we have a nice international community. Mimi, she's originally from Haiti, also in the Caribbean, and myself, yours truly, from Jamaica. And so we love mangoes, and I'm sure everyone now, even if there's not mangoes growing, they're in the supermarkets wherever you are, because it's now become an international. I think it started, mangoes came from India originally, and it's now all over the world. Mimi, you go ahead now. Let me catch my breath.
Well, you have to speed me up. So what are we making today, Michelle? You have to catch me up because I just came on.
Okay, so we're going to be sharing mango recipes, and where's my mango? Mangoes are very delicious. There are so many, probably at least 500 varieties and more, maybe 1,000 varieties. Here, recently, we got mangoes, and the varieties that I had were so a blend of some from different countries, and they were just so delicious, so unique. Some have hints of turpentine. They're so super sweet. I mean, mangoes come in so many sizes, variety, taste. They're super sweet, like the Alfonso. That's rare. And this is the Tolfo de Mana or honey mango. Yeah. And this is one of my least favorite mangoes because there's so many
Is that
other
the honey
varieties.
mango? That's the honey mango?
Yes, and it's one of my
That's
least
one.
favorite. It's my
That's
least
one of my leads as
favorite.
well.
Yeah, but I went through so many. I love my favorite is ones from Jamaica and Haiti, the East
Yeah.
Indian, the June, Saint Julian, and I love the Haitian. After that,
Me
everything
too.
else is.
Me too, but we don't get it here. We don't. I don't see it often here in our region. As you know, I'm up north,
Yeah,
so we do
Hayden,
get the honey
Hayden,
mango up
honey
north.
and Hayden is up north mostly,
Yeah, and I don't like the honey one as well.
and the Hayden I don't like as well. It's just they're just so
But
boring.
it is very boring. But that's exactly what I'm using today, though, for
Me
this
too.
recipe. So that's exactly what I'm using today.
Welcome,
So
Angelique.
everyone, Angelique, it's always nice to see your name come up. Thank you
Yes,
so much for
yes.
joining us. Everyone, hello again. My name is Mirline from Savory Thoughts, and thank you for taking the time to join us today. So, Michelle, I am making the mango salsa. What are you making?
Yeah. I'm doing a mango bread. Easy mango bread.
Mango bread. Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. So, you want to go ahead and start with your mango bread? I'm pretty sure yours will take a lot longer than mine.
Actually, it's easy because it's just a dump recipe. What I like about when I do recipes that doesn't have egg, or you don't have to mix the sugar, cream the sugar with the butter, you basically you're going to dump everything in that bowl. It's literally easy, and then you put it in your pan and bake. So it's not gonna take long. We're not gonna be here long. As a matter of fact, wherever you are, I want you to share some love with us and give us some hearts. We want others to come and join us. So give us some love. We need the love. Thank you. Let me
Yes.
see the
Yeah.
lights, love, whatever. Put the love
And also
on.
share it as well, because you can share this live with
Yes.
your
Yes.
audience,
Please
with your
share.
followers,
Please
your
share.
family.
Give us some
Please do
hearts
share
like
it.
this. I'll show you what I'm talking. Give us some hearts.
Right.
Just give us some hearts. Thank you. They're coming in. Give us some hearts. Thank you,
Yes.
guys. We appreciate it. Let's share the love. Thank you.
We do work very hard for you guys. So
Yes.
yes, please give us
Yes.
some love.
Thank you. Aw, thank you, Boniface. Deb,
Thank you.
I'm gonna start. So to start, mangoes have many benefits, and one of the few benefits, it's good for your immune system because it's also high in vitamin C. It's
Vitamin
high
C.
in vitamin E, vitamin A. That you see the color, it's yellow. It's good for your skin. It's good for your
For y'all.
heart. It's just good for overall. So it's one of those fruits that you can't go wrong. It's high in fiber. So go ahead and eat up those mangoes and enjoy it, especially now that they're in season.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna just
And
go ahead, Nimi.
of
You
course,
talk. We're
we have
flipping.
to. Oh, okay. Plus, if you can get them fresh, that's ideal as well. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. Oh, that's our friend Mike. Hey, thank you. And then we also have Foodie Engineer. Hello. One Foodie. Hello. Thank you, guys. Michelle, I'm seeing some familiar faces.
Nice.
So,
Welcome, welcome, everyone. We're so excited.
welcome.
I'm ready.
Yes.
Yes.
So Michelle is making mango bread, and guys, please give her some love. We are working very hard for you every couple weeks. So please give us some love. Show us that you at least, you're here with us, and we appreciate it.
Thank you. So
Michelle, it's your show. Go ahead.
thank you. So to start, I'm using flour. You can use whatever flour you have. I'm using gluten-free, but regular flour is just as good. So using the flour. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm using organic cane sugar. You can use coconut sugar if you don't want all that sweetness and you want it for it not to spike your blood sugar. But this is not refined white sugar. This is brown sugar and it's organic. Next, I'm using almond flour because I like to use almond flour because it's high in protein. And when we use gluten-free flour, it gives it a nice, lighter texture. So I'm using my almond flour. Here, I'm also using ground flaxseed, or in some places they call it linseed, or what
Mm-hmm.
else? What other name we call it? I think that's it. Those are the names. You can substitute with chia seed. I'm using the golden type. There's also the brown type, and it's also good for your bowels. It helps to act like a binder because in the gluten-free flour, it's devoid of gluten that holds the dough together. So this will act as a replacement, but you can also substitute with chia seeds. And to be honest, if you use like say oat flour, it will also probably not even need that. Here I'm also having baking powder. I like to use non-aluminum baking powder. If you don't have it, use what you have. I also like to use a little cinnamon, but whatever you have on hand, you can use your favorite spice, whether it be, what are your favorite? Coriander, cardamom, nutmeg, whatever you like to flavor. Allspice we'd use probably in Jamaica, or mixed spice. And I'm using Himalayan sea salt because it has more minerals than pure salt. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mix it and making sure it combines well, and that's it. See, you don't have to even sift it. It'll come together good. Next, I'm going to add mango puree. And all I did was literally put the mango in a high-speed blender and blend it. If you don't have a high-speed blender, what you can do is you can add a little water or a little non-dairy milk, whatever you have on hand, and then, or some juice, and you're going to add that. Also, another thing you can do is you can literally put all the wet ingredients together. But my wet ingredients today is only my pumpkin puree and my oil. You can use coconut. I mean, not pumpkin. Where am I? I'm in a holiday, Mimi. Mimi, I say pumpkin? I guess I'm in the wrong season. I'm thinking in the wrong season. I'm using oil. And
that's because you don't cook for the season.
I know I'm already thinking fall, eh? And this, I'm using oil, so you can use whatever oil you like. And I'm gonna put some vanilla.
What kind of oil too?
I'm using avocado, so you can use avocado or coconut oil. They'll work good. And then you're just gonna mix together. If it doesn't come together like you want, if it doesn't come, you can add more liquid, maybe some water, some milk, whatever. Get it together. If you add more pumpkin, guys, I have pumpkin on my mind. You're gonna add some more mango puree.
You're ready for fall.
I know, I'm ready for fall. You know what? I need to slow down and enjoy the season and enjoy. Summer is not even here as yet. When will be summer? I think we have a week before summer comes in.
June 21st.
See, so I'm still not even enjoying the summer like I should, guys. Forgive me. So basically, I mix it. I like the color. See that pretty yellow color? Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in. Here I have some raisins, nuts. You can do walnuts, pecans, whatever your favorite. And I'm going to add some more tropical flair to it by adding my coconut flakes. And I'm going to stir that. And I'm going to also add some mango that's been diced. And this, so that will add some more moisture. And basically, I'm going to just fold this in, fold it in. And you see how pretty that is? If you don't want all that texture, you could see the dough was basically ready. It didn't even need any extra crunch to it, because like my son David, he doesn't like all that fluff. He just wants, give it to him plain. He's happy. And mom, just don't put all that extra stuff in it. So if you like it plain, you can just go ahead and put it. And this is ready. Basically, it's ready to go in your baking pan. You bake it for about an hour. Depending, it could be less depending on your oven. And it's ready, guys. Pretty color, perfect for the season. So instead of doing
very Caribbean.
Yes, and instead of doing pumpkin bread, guys, go ahead and make some mango bread and enjoy the season. Don't follow me. And here I go. There it is. This is finished version. And I made one that is already finished. And let me take out. and see your bread ready. Perfect. See that little mango right there? And that's it. I'm not going to eat it, guys,
Michelle,
because I'm only eating one
that would
meal.
be
I'm on
perfect with ginger
intermittent
tea.
fasting. So that's it. Easy peasy.
I like it.
Comes together in no time. So, guys,
That would
here
be,
it is. Mirline, take over.
that would be perfect with ginger tea, Michelle. You know I love my ginger tea.
Oh, yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. I love
I
turmeric and
love
ginger
it.
tea. So it'll be nice color
Can
to
you show
go
it
with.
again? Can you show it again one more time?
Pardon me?
Show it again one more time so we can
There
get a
it
good
is.
feel.
That's it. I'll take a break. Perfect. There's no egg in it. There's
It
no
looks moist.
regular milk. It's perfect. Texture is just right. And
Yeah,
it's good for those who are trying to say, the doctors say you need to lower cholesterol. Then this has no cholesterol in it. It's cholesterol free and it's easy to make.
that's pretty. I like that. It's perfect for breakfast.
Yes.
That's good. I like that. Okay. So, any questions, everyone? Any comments, questions? Michelle, we have a question. Not a question, a comment. We have Ian called Johnson from Rwanda and I. Okay, Rwanda and I appreciate your support related to health via your lessons. So thank you.
You're
And
welcome.
happy to follow every step. Okay, thank you, everyone. Angelique, thank you so much for your comment. Very nice. Michelle, I'm reading all your comments for you that we missed. What's cooking?
Thank you.
Mish, hello. Michelle just made, but uh, it just skipped me. Mango bread.
Mango bread.
Vegan version mango bread. And Michelle, is this on your website?
It's already on my website, or you can just Google search mango bread healthier steps or healthier steps mango bread, and there you'll have it. The entire recipe.
Okay, Mish. So that's what's cooking today with
That's what.
Michelle. All right. And then we have some smiley faces from Mizzy Mike. And Kohari says, I thank you so much for your efforts. Oh, you guys are the best.
Nice. Thank you,
We have
guys. Thank you
Jamie
so
here.
much.
Hello. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And
Thank
then
you.
Chico
Thank you.
says she wants to eat. So getting some good love, Michelle.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it.
Yes. So
All
let's go
right.
ahead and make this mango salsa. Mine is actually a little bit different. It's more like a dip, more so than a salsa, but I'm calling it a salsa. Okay.
Your recipe.
so, so I am also using the honey mango as well. Again, here in our region, that's all really what I can find. Okay. So, and I'm also,
Mimi,
I have it,
Mimi,
yes.
sorry to interrupt you. I bet we shop at the same place, Sam's Club, eh? I bet you got yours from Sam's Club. Did you?
I did. From Sam's Club,
Me too.
it came in a box, yes.
Me
From
too.
Sam's Club. So, guys, look out. So we have lots of mango recipes coming your way because we have to use them. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so mine is actually a roasted version, and it's the mango habanero
Mm.
salsa. If you don't have habanero peppers, you can actually use Scotch bonnet, which is mostly what us Caribbean people use anyways. But if you go to any Hispanic stores, you can definitely find the habanero peppers or Whole Foods, or over here we have Martin's, so you'll find it at Martin's as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So what we did was I roasted one in the air fryer. So we roasted everything for you guys, and we have
Nice.
the roasted tomatoes.
Nice.
And then this is the hot pepper. This is the habanero pepper, or you can use Scotch bonnet pepper. Also have garlic.
Oh yeah.
Now it's looking burnt. I promise you, it's not burnt. It's just charred.
Like fire roasted. You know when you buy the fire roasted
Fire
potatoes.
roasted, and
Yeah.
exactly. That was done purposely.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just so you can have that, you can have the
Flavor.
taste and the texture, just to give it a little bit more right? If not, if you don't want it to be this way, you can always use liquid smoke. That will give you the same
Right.
flavor as well. So, and I have 2 mangoes here that I'm using. The recipe is on the website, so at savorythoughts.com.
Awesome.
And again, mangoes is actually filled with vitamin C, but in addition to that, we are also adding in lemon, or you can use lime, whichever one
Nice. Nice.
is available. I like lemon, so we're using that. Babe, can you show them? Let's start the process. So we're gonna flip it so
Thank
you
you.
guys can
Thank
see
you.
exactly what's going on.
Jean
All right.
says they're liking this section. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the love. Everything is doing well. All right, Mimi, go
Thank
ahead.
you. All right, so with the lemon, sometimes it's kind of hard to get the juices flow correctly. So what I usually do, I roll it just a few times just to loosen it up. You'll notice that it starts to become softer, and just cut it. All right, so we're going to add that in it as well. And I also have chili powder in here, and we also have salt that we are adding to it. We're not adding any peppers, so just salt, just to taste it. Okay?
Right.
So you will hear noises, but please bear with us. Okay, so I'm going to start with, oh, sorry, I also forgot to add the olive oil. So we're also adding in olive oil to help blend it in.
So did you roast the peppers whole, Mimi?
What I did was I cut the peppers in 3 to 4 big pieces. Same with the tomatoes.
Okay.
The onions. This is actually a half onion that I'm using here, but in the recipe on the site, I have a whole onion that I use and just cut it into quarters and lay them out and just broil them.
Right.
Okay, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to broil it on low. Okay, so I'll start off with the olive oil in here, and now I like to add in the liquids first because it helps the food processor or the blender to blend properly with things not sticking to the bottom too much.
Right.
Okay. This is very easy to make. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes once you get everything situated and once everything is roasted. And if you're wondering, do you have to roast it? No, the answer is no, you do not have to roast it. This is just a preference.
Right.
I like
the flavor. For the unique flavor, I think it brings in another flavor profile.
Right. Okay. So now
Welcome,
I'm going
guys.
to
Welcome.
So adding in the tomatoes, and if you have the juices from roasting the vegetables, that's perfectly fine. You need all of that. Just add on to the flavor.
Awesome.
Okay. This is going to give it like a smoky flavor, guys, with the chips. It is actually delicious. And also, this recipe is very much customizable, so you can make it as chunky or as, I guess, liquefied as you'd like.
Right.
I also have cilantro. This is about half a cup of cilantro.
Angelique says she's going to try it this weekend. Awesome. Thank you. Let us know how you like it. Let me know, especially.
Definitely let us know. So, added the cilantro, and then now I'm adding in the mangoes.
Yummy. Oh, wow.
So there is no sugar being added to this, and there's no honey or there's none of that stuff is being added into this.
Just a natural sweetness.
Because the mango is already naturally sweet, so you can add maple syrup if you'd like, but it's really not necessary. Okay. I'm adding in a teaspoon of salt just to season it. And I am also adding in the chili powder just to give it some extra kick.
Awesome.
So this is what it looks like right now.
Nice.
So we're going to...
You're just pulsing it, Mimi.
1 second. All right. That should be good enough. Okay. Again, you can make it as chunky or not, as you like.
Looks good.
This is it.
Wow, that looks
So
good.
Let me get these out the way. Do we have any questions, any comments, guys? This is perfect.
Angelique, Sarah, husband, I guess will love it. Thank you, Cuz, for joining. Thank you, Romaine. Try it. Oh, yes, I already said. So we have Angelique who says she's going to try it this weekend. It looks really good, Mimi. I know that would be so delicious with chips.
It's very delicious with chips.
Very, very delicious.
You'll notice that it has like a burnt orange color. And that's because we roasted,
I love the color.
The vegetables.
Really pretty.
And that's it. So you just have it. And we have AJ's hand trying it right now.
He's the taste. He loves it. Love it, love it, love it, guys. Send him some love. Send some love for Mimi. You did amazing. That was awesome. That's some good stuff right there. And for those who want to see, that would increase your circulation. For those who want to lose weight, that's a great recipe right there for weight loss. And
exactly.
So, but check it out. It's easy. I mean, so many things
as well. So, and if you don't want it to be too spicy, just remove the seeds.
Right.
All you want is really the taste from the peppers. That's really what you want.
Right. Johnson says, I wish it were possible for you to come in our country of Rwanda in order to share your knowledge related to nutrition for avoiding some malnutrition cases. Thus will be highly contribution. So yes, one of these days, it will happen. One of these days. Thank you. Yummy says, Naughty Kitchen says, yum. Thank you, thank you. I live a hot pepper and we're in heaven. Oh, yummy. And for those who don't like the heat, they can either control it or they can leave the heat out, I'm thinking too. It'll taste just as good. For the children, you can make two. One for the adults, one for the kids. Why not?
But that's the thing, it's not even spicy. It's because we only use one of the habanero pepper. And we have the mangoes plus the other vegetables that just overpowering that one pepper. I mean, although habanero pepper can be
especially the mango is so sweet. That will just really...
The mango is so sweet. So it's like a nice, sweet, savory, spicy, not really. Just a kick.
Just a little kick. Increase the circulation. It's good for the body, for the circulation. We wish to welcome you, to Rwanda. Something to keep in mind. Good presentation.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys. We love all the support we're getting from Africa. Welcome, welcome. Dear Madame Michelle, thank you. Thank you guys. We love you all, and one day. Mimi?
One day. Michelle, so before we go, guys, Michelle, so Michelle and I were discussing about having you guys come on and cook with us as well, where you'll pick up recipe, or we would pick a recipe from one of our sites, and you will be invited to the live. So we will be doing a live cooking with you.
Yes.
So let us know if this is something that you are interested in.
Yeah, I think it will be exciting. It'll be fun. So
I mean, we definitely will be fun, and we would like to see what your experience is like in the kitchen making our recipes. You keep eating, and all I hear is the chips going.
I think it'll be so much fun. So exciting.
So, yes, please let us know. We would love to have you guys on board. Yes. So let us know. Okay. I can't see the messages over.
Yeah, Rwanda is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful country. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous. I think it's one of the most peaceful countries in Africa. So, you know, growing. It's growing. Ah, when, when the next live? So either the next live or we'll plan it. Let's plan it. Let us know
Jenny, are
your
you taking on
feedback.
the offer?
What do you think?
I
If you
will.
want to join us, any of you want to join us on the next live, let us know, and then we can
I think
plan
Jenny
it.
wants to. Nadia Kitchen wants to.
Oh, really? Nice.
So now she and I, we go way back. She's one
Oh,
of my friends.
nice.
So yes.
That's
So I
exciting.
definitely will hunt you down so you can come on this live and show us
So we have
what
our
you can do.
first person who's gonna come on, Naughty Kitchen. Yeah. Is that a yes, Naughty Kitchen? She's laughing. She's
Definitely, we
laughing.
would love to have all of you guys just cook with us and
Definitely.
let us know what your experience is. And we can also, we can even learn because they, although we're providing you with the recipes, you can also, I guess, customize it and make it your own, and we can learn from you as well.
Oh, Rosine Nahdase, I'm following you from the Adventist University of Central Africa. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you.
You are
Yes.
amazing. Thank you so
So this is
much.
awesome. This is really
This
nice.
is so amazing.
We're thankful and grateful for all the love that you give to us. And from China,
From
oh,
China,
China. So we have Japan, China, Mexico, Africa today, and
Africa.
Jamaica, and I'm sure other places. So wherever you
Yes.
tuned in from today, we were so happy you took time away from your busy schedule. We really appreciate it. Thank you for the love and the support. And be sure to join us again in 2 weeks' time, where we'll be sharing with you another great recipe. And if Naughty Kitchen wants to be the
We may have a
first guest,
special guest.
we will be happy to
We may
have
have a
you,
special
and we'll be
guest.
keeping in touch with you.
Jenny, I'm gonna hunt you down. I will hunt you down so you can come on.
Yes. Oh, very nice.
Um,
Okay.
guys, have a blessed weekend. Thank you so
Yes.
much for joining us. Please stay safe. Take
Thank
your
you.
vitamins. Do what you need to do to stay healthy and come back again in 2 weeks so we can talk.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.